Hi, I'm Luiza, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a homemade candle out of soy wax. You can reuse an old candle jar, but today I decided to reuse an old yogurt jar. You just need to be sure that it can withstand the heat and preferably that it's made out of glass or metal. I decided to go the extra mile and personalize the jars as well. For this I'm using some leftover acrylic paint that I had left from a different project. With this paint I found that the design stays on really well even after finishing the candle and washing the jar. In this step you can let your imagination run wild and paint whatever you want. Of course, you can also leave it just plain and skip this step entirely. If you enjoy this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my next crafts. Now we'll want to let the jar dry up completely before adding hot wax to it. You want to make sure that you choose the correct sized wick. Different jars with different diameters are going to need different sized wicks. If your wick is too small, the candle is going to tunnel, and if it's too big, the candle is going to burn up too quick. We're going to melt the wax using the double boiler method as we don't want to burn it. Once the wax is completely melted, you can take it off the heat, and once it reaches between 75 and 79 degrees Celsius, you can add the fragrance. You want to make sure that you stir the fragrance for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, and when the wax is between 70 and 75 degrees Celsius, you can pour it. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!